Greetings family, you're live in Ghana with Bomani, and I'm here with one of our tour participants. Introduce yourself to our people, brief introduction.
I am Priscilla Johnny. I am from LA, but I live in Brooklyn right now.
Alright, from Brooklyn, so you just took the train on to JFK and then met with us, and now you're in Ghana. And now you're leaving Ghana and about to do the opposite.
This is our last day.
Alright, cool. When did you decide you want to journey with us to Ghana?
You know, I think it's been building over a couple of years, but I think everything happens for a reason. There are no coincidences, so, you know, I ended up doing a search for something completely different to do business with the company, and then it turned into, like, you just saying, yeah, I'm going to come and be here.
Alright, perfect. And now you're here, and now you have experienced the experience. So
Yeah.
how is your journey of a lifetime so far?
Journey of a lifetime. I think
not
it's just
finished.
yeah. I think it actually would just keep going. There'll be a brief pause, but I've learned so much about home because this is home. This is where our ancestors come from, and I just learned a lot about my place in it, where I think I can fit, and just the people and the warmth, and watching it develop, and being astounded by that, by all the skills that I just see of everyone here. Everyone is very entrepreneurial. I mean, even little kids, you know, have something on their head, ready to sell. You know, you see the craftsmen, you see the men building, you just see people constantly in motion and doing what we do, and that's very encouraging for me. So I'd like to help with that process.
Alright, cool, excellent, excellent.
And this group has actually been an incredible segue, and I like how I don't need an entity to be well known, but it's fascinating to me that people hear that there's an African for the Africans meeting going on, and then people show up and they share their stories. You know, Africans from the diaspora who either got here decades ago or who got here last month and just packed up and came, but they know about this group, and it's like having a family at home, and that's good. Yeah.
Perfect. That's one thing we do, family. We do a whole lot of networking, do business conference and a lot of social gatherings, continuously in nightlife.
And the food is amazing. Every day we have amazing meals. So that's encouraging.
Yes. Excellent. So, what else would you say to those who might be thinking about traveling to Africa
I would
or
say,
never traveled?
hurry up. Don't think. Just go. Just do it. You know, I did. You just go. Just do it. Just like you would go for, you heard about a sale at Trader Joe's, or, you know, Whole Market is running a special, and you just get up and go, you don't think anything about it. Just come. It's where you belong, and you'll find a place here for you to be.
Alright, cool, excellent. Alright, family, thank you for joining us live in Ghana with Bomani featuring Crystal. So until next time, family, stay strong.